students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our second question is cot inverse x is equals to y. Then our y will lie in which of this interval? So if we remember the graph of cot inverse x, it looks like something like this in the interval of 0 to pi. It is like this, where this is pi by 2, correct? So range, so y is nothing but the range of cot inverse x, and range of cot inverse x is, if you will see, it is between 0 to pi. So our correct answer will be 0 to pi. Why not equals to pi and equals to 0? Because it will become equals to 0 at infinity, and infinity is not defined. We will never be able to reach there. And similarly, it will be equals to pi when it is minus infinity. So that also that we will never be able to reach. That's why it is open bracket 0 to pi. We can either write it like this, or we can write it like y belongs to open bracket 0 to pi. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.